Welcome to GBE Automobile 237, your go-to source for everything automotive. Today, we're diving into an exciting and often misunderstood topic: fuel myths. These misconceptions have persisted for years and continue to influence the decisions of many drivers. In this video, we'll debunk 4 popular myths and reveal the truth, so you can make informed choices every time you fill up. Stick with us until the end because this information could change your everyday driving experience. Let's start with the myth that premium fuel always improves car performance. This belief is based on the idea that the most expensive fuel is automatically the best for your vehicle. In reality, this entirely depends on how your engine is designed. Premium fuels have a higher octane rating, which is essential for sports cars or high-performance engines. But if your car is designed to run on standard fuel, opting for premium won't bring any noticeable benefits. You won't gain power or efficiency, and you'll simply spend more money. So, before falling for this misconception, check your car's manual to know exactly what it needs. Now, let's move to the second myth. Filling up early in the morning gives you more fuel because of the higher density caused by cooler temperatures. This theory seems logical but is false. Gas stations store their fuel in underground tanks where the temperature remains stable throughout the day. Whether you fill up in the morning, at noon, or in the evening, the amount of fuel you receive will be the same. So, you can refuel at any time that's convenient for you without worrying about losing anything. The third myth concerns fuel additives, those products marketed as miracle solutions for cleaning your engine or boosting its performance. While these additives can sometimes be useful in very specific situations, they're generally unnecessary for most drivers. Modern fuels already contain integrated cleaning agents that are more than sufficient to keep your engine in good condition. Adding other products can even be counterproductive, causing deposits or imbalances in the system. If you truly want to take care of your engine, focus on regular maintenance and trust your standard fuel. Finally, let's tackle a myth that could cost you. Driving regularly with an almost empty tank doesn't harm your car. In reality, this is a very bad habit. When your tank is nearly empty, sediments and impurities at the bottom can be sucked into the fuel system, damaging the fuel filter and leading to costly repairs. Additionally, the fuel pump uses fuel for cooling, and running on empty can cause it to overheat and deteriorate. To avoid these issues, try to never let your tank drop below a quarter of its capacity. These 4 myths are widespread, but as you can see, they aren't based on facts. By knowing the truth, you can save money, extend your car's lifespan, and drive with peace of mind. We hope this information has been helpful and will help you better understand fuel and its impact on your vehicle. Before you leave, tell us in the comments which myth surprised you today or if you know of any others. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to GBE Automobile 237, and activate the bell to never miss our videos on car maintenance and much more. Thank you for being with us,